All right, Mark, looking at your exam, I can see what you got right, what you got wrong. The first one you had trouble with was defining a name. Okay. You took a couple of tries and you got the first part right. So you dragged to select D3 to F9, which is not wrong, but I want you to think about the name box up here. So I can type in the name box, D3. Let me click off. All right, I can type in the name box, D3 colon F9, and it will do exactly the same thing. Okay? And now I need to create the names, create the defined names. Well, the third time you did this, you were trying to type in the second time you did this, you never selected the range of January, and the third time you were trying to do January before you created the names. So let's see. If I don't remember where create names is, let's see, might it be under data? Nope, it sure is not. Under formulas, there it is. And I want to create from selection. It says use the titles in the top row, which really only makes sense. So I'm going to tell that okay. If I want to check, if I go to Name Manager, and it will let us do this without being wrong. See, there's my names, January, February, March. Okay. So the next step, after I've done this, is to select January using the name box. So I come over here to the name box, and if I click that down arrow, there's January. Or I could just type in the word January. When I select that, look, it selected the January column. All right. So let's see. The next one that you had some trouble with was creating a formula using the payment function.